Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to be discussing the battery equivalent of the 321 watch battery. As you can see already here, we can find it under the name of 321 or SR616SW. I'm also going to leave a link in the description below to these exact watch batteries. Now these two are going to be the exact same battery type. You can also find it online with V321 or D321 or also SR65. I'm also going to insert the picture on the screen so that you can see the most common names when it comes to the 321 battery equivalent, and you can go online in order to purchase the right battery for your watch. As you can see here on the table, I have a bunch of watch battery types, so I'm going to make a video with each and one of them and their battery equivalent. So that was the quick video that I had for you today, guys. In case it was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what kind of watch you have. And if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, and I'm going to see you on the next video.